no question to ask either.
Crissy, why you really stay? Stay where? In my house? The speed challenge.
Two gift. But
Him
win that one.
unfair. You see him
One
unfair? No, well, man. We have
gift
something.
a target. 16 different. Winning 16 rows from 16 different
We
people.
have something that come for him.
Now, if you know want to answer them questions, subscribe and we give it to the subscribers. Them type of answer you can't go to the public. So if nobody come screen record, no.
Them
Subscribe and you get it. How about that? Turn on sub is only.
Somebody said they want to go for one date with me.
How about turn on sub is only?
Well, we go for one girls date, goodie. Because the Uber this. We're going on a female date. Who's in Orlando? Let's do brunch. Let some females do some brunch. You want to come on the date too? Crissy, are you scared of him? Who? You can ask him.
Yeah, I think so.
What? Say I'm scared of you?
Yep.
Look into my eyes. Tell me what you see. Because when you know see me come out, you have some little poke up on the internet attacks and things, and because when you see me come out, because we got different kettle of fish, but make I see one of them in a real life. Because me not have no talk, me not have no time for talk by internet, my love. Who know me in a real life know what I'm made of.
Legacy, have it on subby. You see me?
I have a thing approved to the internet.
God's girl, she do.
And I'm going to record your ass when I'm beaching you.
You see me? You do that every day. Here we go. Any live and you are come off our live, here?
You can't tell me if you come off a no live. Me run this. You cannot tell me if you come off a live. You get off my live. How about that?
Alright, me go end this and you come off. Me come cut off your live. Because you don't understand yourself.
Oh, me take him off. Me click post. Take off yourself, else me go take you off.
No, me come cut your live.
Oh, wait till the match done.
People know say me cut our live, here.
Ask him. That's what I want to know, CPR.
With a friend and
Somebody said, call the popo.
Legacy where single females ended. Then they are legacy man. You have to just call him.
You have to text me. Text me quick. Let me see what y'all say. Please text me quick. Why him take off something before me big up the people? Why you do that?
Me do that? Or me take off you or something then?
Guys, everybody that give me gift, thank you guys just now. She ain't come off our life because me don't know how to take you off.
You know that you?
Oh, we take him off. Answer me. Get off my life. I don't know how to take him off because it's not showing me. Good. Him gone.